So hey folks, out here messing around in the woods today. A little light snow falling, absolutely beautiful out. It's a little on the cool side, but hey, I love being out in this kind of weather. Want to do a little review for you today. Got a Helko axe here I bought, I don't know, probably been close to 6 months ago. Okay, this is a Helko camp axe, is what I'd call it, or a pack axe. I think a handle on it's just about 20-21 inches long, somewhere around there. About a 2.5 pound head, C45 steel. Pretty nice feel to it. I've been putting it through its paces, really like it. I haven't done anything really to the blade other than just use it for some splitting duties. I haven't really been doing a lot of chopping with it as far as like making anything or dropping trees or anything like that. But you know, that's what I use an axe for around camp most of the time, is basically for splitting wood. I got a couple ash logs here and we're gonna see how good it'll split this ash. This stuff's probably, I don't know, 16 inches. It's fairly dry. It's starting to check on the ends, so we'll see if it does well doing some splitting here. Might be a pretty tough task. Let's see if we can chunk a little on the side here. Well, there's one piece. Just kind of work our way around the outside of it here. Pretty tough stuff. Well, it would definitely do it. Take some extra effort. It's not really a splitting axe when it comes to this big stuff. This right here is where this little axe excels. Overall, not a bad little axe. One problem I do see with it, as far as replacement handles go, they're not going to be real common. Of course, it's got this German style or Eastern Bloc style handle. A little different shape than what a standard axe handle here in the States is. But other than that, I do believe this is a pretty decent little axe. I believe it was about $55 shipped, if I remember correctly. I don't know exactly if they still carry these on the Helko website, but check them out. There's the how it's spelled. I really like the little axe. It's not real terribly heavy. It's got a nice ash handle. You know, seems like it does what it's supposed to do. Just wanted to share that with you folks. Like my videos. Thank you for watching. Thanks to all my viewers. Thanks to all my subscribers. And I'll be back with another one real soon.